Okay, so I got some serious news here today. I'm actually quitting YouTube, kind of. So there's some big changes coming up here on my channel, or actually on my multiple channels. Because the way the YouTube algorithm works, I really need to branch out and make a separate channel for my Bitwig Studio content. And it's not that I don't like making that type of content, it's just how the YouTube algorithm works and how it tries to push certain channels depending on what kind of overall content they produce. And I'm going to show you some statistics here that I put together from the YouTube analytics, just to showcase how small portion the Bitwig community is overall on my YouTube channel here. Because on this channel I mainly make music production videos and music theory, and we also look at some music gear, we look at different synths and sound design, and I have a large portion of different topics that I want to cover, and I just don't want all this hard work that I've been doing on this channel for all these years to go to waste just because I juggle too many different topics on the same channel. So yeah, according to the statistics or the analytics, I really need to make a separate channel for the Bitwig Studio content and keep this main channel to making music production, sound design, talking about music theory, music tech. We're gonna talk about AI, of course, because AI is not going anywhere. It's definitely here to stay, no matter what you think about this new technology. So I'm posting my first video today on this second channel. It's a video on how to set up multi-timbral instruments in Bitwig Studio. So if you're working with like contact sampler, Falcon sampler, or any other multi-timbral VST instrument or sampler, it's gonna be a great video for you to learn how to do this setup in Bitwig Studio. The new Bitwig Focus channel is gonna be called Mattias Bitwig Labs, and you'll find a link to this new channel in the description to this video. Okay, so let's take a quick look at here some comparison between my Bitwig Studio content and Logic Pro content over a year. So the blue line here on the graph is the watch time hours for Bitwig Studio content, and the purple line above here is the watch hours for my Logic Pro content. And you can see it's like way much more hours view time on my Logic Pro content, and you can see some really high spikes here also. And total on 1 year we have 1,900 hours watch time on Bitwig Studio content, and on Logic Pro content we have 8,200 hours of watch time. So yeah. Right, so in conclusion, this doesn't mean that the Bitwig Studio videos are less valuable or that they are like of less quality. It just means that YouTube favorizes to push my content, and it's a larger community also for the Logic Pro content. So it's just how it is with these algorithms, and we really need to think about this if we want our channels to grow and if we want to make running a channel like this sustainable. Because at the end of the day, we need to bring some cash to the table so we can continue working on this videos and the content for you. So Bitwig will go in its own channel, link is in the description, and I'll continue this main channel, which will focus as always on music production, sound design, music gear. We're gonna review synths, learn about synthesis, and of course we're gonna work with Logic Pro on the main channel. At the same time, I'd like to ask you what kind of videos you'd like to see here on my channel, or what type of favorite videos you have from my previous videos on the channel. Please let me know in the comments. And yeah, you might see Bitwig Studio pop up from time to time here on my main channel too, but it's not gonna be Bitwig specific content. All that stuff is gonna go into the second basket, my second channel. So that's yeah, just some rambling here, but this is what I want to share with you, and by all means, if you like my content here on YouTube, make sure to check out my Patreon at patreon.com/Gelhain, because all the support helps driving this channel forward, so I can make more cool videos for you. Yeah, so that's it for today. Now I'm gonna head out for some lunch in the sunny weather here in Sweden. We're starting to get some nice Swedish summer. Yeah. So that's all for today. My name is Mattias. See you in the next video. Bye.